Hey guys, what's going on? James R. Schultz with TechCourse.com, and today I'm going to take care of another request video. Requests can be sent to Ryan@TechCourse.com. And today's request video is about office productivity. Now, when it comes to office productivity, lots of things come to mind. You've got OpenOffice, you've got Microsoft Word, and you've got iWork for Macs. And those are the three major, I would say, works or suites of software that come to mind. There are others, but those are the three that people use mainly. Now, obviously, we're in Mac OS 10.6.3 right now, Snow Leopard, and I have two out of the three major systems installed. I've got iWork 2009, Keynote, Pages, and Numbers, and I also have, unfortunately, NeoOffice, which is part of OpenOffice. It's pretty much the same thing. So we're going to be using that to compare against iWork. On my PC, I don't know if I can string in the screen recording at the end of this. It's Camtasia. It's somewhat of a different format. If I can, you'll see it right after this. If not, I'll probably have to make another one in here and then talk about it. So anyways, we'll take a look at iWork first. None of this is open before. It does not start with the operating system. So let's open it, get a little time here. There we go, just clicked it. Now Pages is equivalent to Microsoft Office Word. It's a really nice piece of productivity software for Word. You can when you open it up, you can get all these different templates here, or you can just do blank. We'll do portrait style blank image here. And here's our Word document. It's a lot different than Word. I use it full time now. I really like it. There's a couple things I do miss about Microsoft Word, but most of all, I am very happy with iWork, aka Pages. You can do tables, charts, all the functionalities here. There isn't anything that I'm aware of that Microsoft Office can do, that's important that iWork can't. However, it's just a little bit different. It looks different. We don't have the big ribbon. Obviously, we have menus up here, file, save as. You can save it as a .doc, so you can make it compatible with Microsoft Office, all the way back to 93, 95, so 97. It works. I love Pages. The PowerPoint equivalent is called Keynote. Go ahead and open that up. And Keynote, I really like Keynote. I think it's really easy to use. Then you can choose all these templates here. You can choose your resolution. You can do 1680 by 1050. You can do, we're just going to do 102.4.768. But this is really easy to do. It's quite a bit like Microsoft Office. All the basic functionalities here, you can save as a .ppt instead of the proprietary format for Keynote. Really easy to use. It's got really nice visual effects, which is done by using the inspector. It's really great software. It's definitely worth the $100 or whatever it costs from Apple. Then you've got Numbers. This is like Excel. Here's where it gets a little hairy. I really like Excel better. You can do more. I think that you can do more with it. I mean, here you can choose all these different templates again. We'll do school savings here, and that's really cool. I really like that, how it can set it up. But if you do a blank document, go ahead and close this and try a blank document here. It's really different than Excel. It may not look like it, but trying to make a graph or something here is difficult. So I think Excel has the upper hand here. However, this is by no means unusable. So in conclusion, iWork Suite, really nice. Definitely like iWork. It's great. I could use it full time. I would learn to use Numbers. It's a little hairy right now, but I could definitely figure it out if I put my time into it like I did with Keynote and Pages. So there's iWork. Really like it. Gets an A+ from me. It's just the same as Word. You do it a little bit differently. So now we'll take a quick look at NeoOffice made by OpenOffice. All right, so now we'll take a quick look at OpenOffice, aka NeoOffice Applications, NeoOffice. Now, I don't use NeoOffice for a number of reasons. One, I think it's significantly more difficult than Microsoft Office and iWork. Two, it's painfully slow. iWork is not the quickest suite I've ever used. I think definitely Microsoft Office is the quickest. And this is definitely the slowest. It looks much more like Microsoft Office. I think it's easier to learn to use. But once you learn to use it, I don't think you can do as much. So, it's free. That's why a lot of people use it. It's a really great free piece of office productivity software. So if you don't want to spend $100, maybe it's 200, whatever, on iWork, you don't want to buy Office for Mac. By the way, I've tried that. It's nice. I think it's equivalent to iWork. However, I would stick with the Apple side. You know, you bought a Mac, keep the Apple side of stuff on it. Works great. If you want Windows, that's what Boot Camp for is, guys. Put your Microsoft stuff on that partition. Leave this to Mac. So that's fine. But NeoOffice is great software because it's free. However, it's just slow. It uses proprietary formats. Yes, it can save in .doc, .ppt, XLS, and then you can do more stuff from here. So we'll do a drawing file here. Got that. Open up a spreadsheet. Looks pretty familiar. And how about a presentation? So it's really great free software. However, iWork and the Microsoft Office suite is, well, better. So anyways, I'm going to try to grab the PC now and see if I can get that to work. But in a nutshell, Office Mac, great software. Microsoft Office Mac, great software. I don't suggest you bother with it, and you know, keep it on your Windows side. iWork, great, really like it. A little hard to use, or a little hard to learn to use, but it's not too bad. And then NeoOffice, good for being free. It's a little quirky, a little slow. So iWork is still ahead. Let's check out Office 2010 beta for PC. All right, so we're here with Windows. We'll see if we can get all this working. And Microsoft Office 2010, I should probably do a separate video about this since a whole lot of people don't have it yet. But it's got some really nice stuff to it. This is the beta. I think anybody can download it from Microsoft. I've still got 07 installed on here, so you're going to see all the 07 icons. But go ahead and open Word here, and you can see it's pretty quick compared to 03 Office XP. Wow, that's really big. Default is 100%, and I really like it, but we're in 1080p, so let's bump it up to 120%. I think this is probably my favorite suite for office productivity. I don't have a whole lot of time to do this here, but you've got this really nice ribbon up here. You can change all these colors. It's really easy to use. Come on, we all know how to use this. Essentially, I would say just stick this on the Windows side of your Mac. Windows, unfortunately, we need it. All right, Mac, we don't need it, but it's nice to have. Definitely makes life easier for some things. But Office 2010 for PC is really nice. Office 2008 for Mac is nice, but definitely not as good as Office 2010 for PC. It's really quick, really easy to use. It's all pretty now. You know, Office 2007 was starting to get into the pretty bubbly icon stuff, and this is definitely a lot better. PowerPoint, same story. Fantastic job from Microsoft here. I really don't think I could say anything better. We've got this file window over here now. It gives you all the information on the right. I'll do a separate video about this. But in conclusion, guys, you have a Mac. Use iWork. It's a great suite of applications. If you need the Office 2010 side, I highly encourage that. Make a Windows side. Use Boot Camp. I have videos on how to do this. Then get Office over there. NeoOffice, pretty much for the user that really doesn't want to buy the software, which is fine. It's great software for that. So thanks for watching this one. Hopefully that cleared up some clouds of confusion. Make sure to follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/JamesRSchultz. Check out our website on the way out, techcourse.com. Then every Tuesday night on stickem.com/techcourse, we host our live web shows. So hopefully we'll see you there. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.